I got this. Check it. I said it's really, nigga, listen close. You already know, man, I'm mothership. Niggas better listen, cause I stay in my other shit. 4 or 5, nigga, show you the rubber grip. You know how this shit move. I make your blood ooze. I leave you so confused. I'm in the lane paying my dues. Niggas better watch, cause I'm about to yak you fools. And show you how I'm nice with the toe, so I clap you fools. Fall the fuck back, get off my jock strap. I've been the MVP in this game for too many years, black. Niggas can't contend with me. No Floyd Mayweather, but when I say I spit bars, son, I'm so much clever. I'm a champion, nigga. I stand alone, don't need a team, nigga. No, walk the street alone. And niggas know I got the heat when I'm lost in the zone. Cause I only raise flame when I'm aiming for the throne. I'm the king of this shit, fuck that. Kick my slippers off. Niggas know, son, I'm Jack the Ripper when I take it off. Shout out to my niggas up north, doing hard time, cause my hard rhymes never been soft. My shit is bonkers, that's my niggas in Yonkers, and you already know I bogart them on the bogies. No bust down, like my niggas uptown, never make a pit stop, I just keep going around. That's 24/7, nigga, cause I'm nice with the service. When I say I spit this shit, nigga, I do it for a purpose. You already know your shit is worthless, so can't even come close. Matter of fact, nigga, I rep the East Coast. I put that shit across my heart and hope to die. I tell y'all niggas I'm smoking nigga till I go in the sky. I'ma ask myself, just think about that. I'm trying to get this wealth, nigga, make them all fall back. Niggas can't hold on, can't get it right or can't get it wrong. I'm an adolescent still in the song. Niggas can't even see me, nigga, I'm brutalified with zombies. I'm a killer army, nigga, niggas can't harm me. You already know, I'm surrounded by that shit. Show y'all niggas how I impounded, like I'm grounded this shit. Fuck that, nigga, that's a Goku move. Niggas could've catch that shit was way too smooth.